So you can go forward, it's all the way down and all the way back, because it's not a very big car. Oh, wow.
Wow, what a horn!
It's a very loud horn, yes.
What a horn!
I was waiting for you to find that.
Wow! This has got telescopic steering, by the way. I'm not going to do it whilst I drive, but you twist this, pull it up, and push it down.
You twist that?
Yes, sir.
That's very cool.
Rick showed me that.
Honestly didn't know that.
Now we do, and knowing's half the battle. Here he comes, 1955 T-Bird.
I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh my Lord. All right, now I'm recording.
Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, go ahead and tell them some stuff.
Let me tell them some stuff. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm gonna put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down, call us about this Thunderbird or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time, and also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. And 92% of you that come back and watch these are not subscribed, and it makes me sad. So please do that and hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool videos like this. But for now, Chris, tell us all about this Thunderbird.
This is a 1955 Thunderbird. It has got a beautiful 292 Y block V8 4-barrel Ford-O-Matic 3-speed auto. It's torch red with a white soft top. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see, it's got power seats. It's got a Radial, and it also has power windows. This is a really, really well done car. It's been restored, not exactly sure when the restoration was, but it's beautifully restored. Look at this engine in here. Wow, the Y block is awesome. This is a wonderful car. Now it's a convertible. It's a little chilly today. That's why I got the big boy coat on. So why don't we go and drive it, shall we, Jake?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Okie dokie.
Here we go.
Are you ready, Chris?
I have been ready for this one. Wow.
Yeah, so I tested the power seats earlier. They work. It goes up and down. It lifts up and down.
Love it.
And that's the windows. The power seats are further down. Oh wait, no, those are the seats.
You're
right.
the seat.
It's all the way down right now.
Good deal, thank you.
So you can go forward, it's all the way down and all the way back because it's not a very big car. Oh, wow.
Wow, what a horn!
It's a very loud horn, yes.
What a horn!
I was waiting for you to find that.
Wow!
It's a good horn. We also have, look at this, power windows.
Ooh.
And they're lightning fast.
Lightning.
Very cool. I love the dashboard on these old Thunderbirds here. Goodness gracious. You're scaring me.
I'm scared.
I love the dashboard. You got the nice V8 there. Here's your blower motor. I have it on because I have the heat on. And I can tell you, it works.
Oh, I love it.
My legs are getting warm. I love it. It's a chilly day here.
Ooh. What do you think it is?
If we didn't mention that. It's wind chill was like 40, 44, somewhere around there. So yeah, it's a little chilly. You got the nice Thunderbird badge there in the dash. You got a Radial right there. Your cigarette lighter, in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. You also got a clock there. A nice speedometer and a tach.
We do have a tach and it's
a
functioning.
working tach. That's very nice. Yeah, this dash is great. No cracks or anything. Very cool. I love the hood too, with that big bulge in the middle of it.
Love the bulge, and I love the fact that I brought my winter coat today. Good
I know.
gravy, it's cold.
I have on 2 sweatshirts, and I had my stocking cap earlier, but
what happened to your stocking cap?
I wanted the fast lane hat. I wanted to show off the branding, you know.
We gotta love the brand. Oh, the 292s are roaring.
Got to create a positive brand image.
Boy, I love the heat. Let me tell you.
Yeah, the heat's heating.
It's my favorite thing in this car so far.
I know. I don't believe we have AC. You do have vents you can open for like outside air, but I haven't closed because I want the outside air out and the inside heat in. And it's actually staying in pretty good, even with all the windows down and the top down, obviously.
Obviously the top.
It does have a top. I believe it's a white top.
It is.
If you want to see pictures of that top up, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see all the photos there, engine bay, undercarriage, inside, the top. It actually sits behind the seat.
It does.
It stays attached to the car. It's a soft top. It folds up kind of weird like a taco and, you know, swings behind the seat into a little bit of a chasm there, and then gets covered by this nice piece of vinyl. So that
the vinyl.
So that you can't see it. Very cool.
This has got telescopic steering, by the way. I'm not going to do it whilst I drive, but you twist this, pull it up, and push it down.
You twist that?
Yes, sir.
That's very cool.
Rick showed me that.
Honestly didn't know that.
Now we do. And no one's half the battle.
Oh my god, it's like a train horn. It's so loud.
I want to go next to a train.
I love
which
it though.
one's louder.
And the exhaust? Well, first of all, the engine runs very smooth.
Yes, it does.
Very smooth running 292.
Yep, 292 white block.
And yeah, the exhaust coming out the bumper looks cool.
It does.
First of all, very space age, but it also sounds really good.
For 55, this is kick-ass. It really is. This is all clear, which is cool.
Oh wow, I didn't notice that.
Oh yeah, it's clear. You can
That's
see.
very cool.
It's beautiful. It's a neat car. It really is a neat car. I know Corvette's kind of probably overshadowed it in the day.
I wonder if this is clear so that at night, like the street lights and stuff shine through it, you can see your gauges.
I think that's probably the case.
That is cool.
It is cool.
That is very neat.
God, this horn's louder than truck horns.
Yeah, I know. And I love
thing.
the steering wheel, by the way.
I do too.
The big chrome ring, that's for honking your horn.
It is.
And it's like clear.
That's clear too.
There's a theme. There's a lot of clearness going on.
There's a lot of clearness. It's clear and cold.
Let me be clear
today, but it's cold.
I also love the carpet. Nice, new looking, very red. There's your automatic shifter right there. Because it's a Thunderbird, you got to put it in neutral to start it.
That's true.
You know, little quirks of the 1955 T-Bird.
I would shake the hand of the people who restored it because they did a great job. They really did.
Yeah, it's nice. I love the red paint. The red theme is awesome. Everything in here looks pretty minty. The doors open and close nice.
Oh yeah, and the windows, as you said, are rocket fire fast.
They're rocket fire fast. Yeah.
Oh, look what we're up to.
Oh, the bean test.
We talked our way right to the bean test. Well, good for us.
We're really good at talking, aren't we, Chris?
I'm the best talker in the world.
Let's get out of here before this semi-truck blocks us.
See you later, Old Dominion. Yeah.
Ooh.
Feel it roar. Now, I'm not pounding on it, ladies and gentlemen. It's a 55
Yeah,
T-Bird.
but it's torquey.
But it's torquey.
That was good stuff.
It's fresh.
It's fresh.
Oh, it's fresh. Oh, I'm
It's
gonna film
new.
you.
It's hip. It's now.
It's
and
today.
how.
And how. You can barely touch this thing.
I know it. You breathe on the horn and it'll honk.
It's incredible.
It's lovely.
Wow. Man, oh man.
And we're already here. And all of our beautiful leaves are almost gone.
I know.
At least on these trees. The ones down there still got some orange stuff.
Oh,
but we're getting into the winter times. Yep. Which is a perfect time to drive a convertible Thunderbird. That's what I've always said.
That's right. That's how we roll, folks.
Oh my God.
Man, it's a nice car. It's a beaut.
It is a beaut.
All right, I'm going to park at our usual spot, let you get you all situated, and we'll do some flybys. Because the other ones are not what we do.
Yeah, let's do some flybys.
Do it every time. I want to say it too.
You ready, Chris?
I'm ready.
I'm excited to see how it sounds from the outside.
I'm pumped too.
Let's do it.
Let us go. There he is in the T-Bird. And there we are. There's a drone behind it, ladies and gentlemen. We're no longer in the past or present, we're in the future. That's so wicked. Here he comes, 1955 T-Bird. Ooh, he's really moving. Sounds great. Hello, Captain.
This thing drives extremely nice, actually.
It does.
It's smooth, and you punch it, and it does kick down, and it goes pretty quick.
Oh,
and it sounds amazing, but I mean, it's a luxurious drive.
You like the video.
And
it's good.
I know, and look at this. My seat's going up.
You're up.
And there's a
you're
drone
down.
flying above my head.
Don't worry about that drone.
Now it's down. Now I'm
That
going
little guy?
forward. Now I'm going backward. I
Are you having
love
fun?
working power seats. That's amazing. And
It
55? Are you kidding me?
I know.
And it's the whole bench. It's not just. Look at that. I'm going up and I'm going forward at the same time.
Please don't break it.
Okay. I'll stop messing with it.
I feel like this is playing trains and automobiles all over again.
But yeah,
Come on, Dell.
this thing's awesome. It runs good. It drives good. It looks good.
Looks great.
I know. You ready to go back?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.